Boomtown Casino Hotel, an exercise in modest expectations. Boomtown Casino Hotel presents itself as a modest proposition. Its location, a compromise between the urban sprawl of Reno and the bucolic allure of Lake Tahoe, suggests a certain utilitarian appeal. The promise of a casino, a necessary evil in such establishments, is offset by the suggestion of comfortable accommodations and a variety of dining options. Upon arrival, one is met with a functional, if unremarkable, lobby. The rooms, while adequate, possess a certain generic quality that is both comforting and unrevealing. The casino floor, a labyrinth of blinking lights and the faint hum of desperation, is a familiar and predictable environment. It is in the unexpected corners of such establishments that one may find a glimmer of interest. Mel's Diner, for example, offers a nostalgic respite from the prevailing aesthetic. A modest culinary experience, it provides a necessary counterpoint to the otherwise predictable nature of the hotel. In conclusion, Boomtown Casino Hotel is a serviceable accommodation that fulfills its basic functions without aspiration. It is a place to rest one's head and partake in sanctioned forms of gambling. Beyond that, it offers little in the way of intellectual stimulation or aesthetic enrichment. Boomtown Casino Hotel presents an intriguing juxtaposition of the modern and the rustic. Its embrace of Western Americana is a bold choice, a departure from the often sterile uniformity of the contemporary casino landscape. The hotel's commitment to this theme is evident in the careful curation of its decor, from the weathered wood accents to the subtle nods to the region's history. It is a testament to the power of thematic design to elevate a standard accommodation into a memorable destination. While the allure of the unknown often beckons, there is a certain charm to returning to a familiar and comfortable space. Boomtown Casino Hotel may just be one such place.